friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are working on this beautiful quilt named Tahoe, and we're doing a quilt along, and I am so glad that you are part of it. Thank you so much for tuning in every single day for last 20 some days and working with me on beautiful diamonds. And today I have a special surprise for you, diamond number 21. Look how pretty it is. Isn't it just beautiful? So simple. We have to make strip sets, and I already have done them. You can follow basic directions and directions in the pattern to make your strip sets. Look at those. I just got them done, and now all that I'm going to do is cut sets from those strip sets. One of my favorite is this beautiful fabric from Primrose. This is what I'm using for my quilt. I'm using a kit called Tahoe Primrose, and in that kit are fabric from our Primrose collections that are just so yummy. Look at those gorgeous flowers on this piece of fabric. Remember, when you cutting from the 4.5-inch strips, make sure you are being so frugal and so nice and tight, because you don't want to trim it too much and then run out and don't have enough to make all your diamonds sets. So right there, I'm not gonna cut right now because we've done this so many times. I already cut all my pieces, and I'm going to just lay my block front of you guys so we can put the pieces beautifully together. All that I want to remind you is make sure before you cut, before you press, before you do anything, spray your fabric with best press or starch so that way your fabrics are nice and stiff and easy to work with, just like I did. Now all that I have to do is sew this to this and this to this by just placing it right sides together, pinning right there, so my transition points are really nice and they're lined up really nice. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, place it right sides together. This time I don't have to worry about any transition points between the diamonds, just the beginning and the end right there, and nice little overlap so that way my 1/4-inch seam allowance is perfect when I flip this open. And make sure you open your seams. The last seam is that middle one, and you're gonna make sure you pin right there just so your diamonds match perfectly. Look, I did it for you guys. Look how nice it looks. All that you have to do, open all the seams in the back, press it from the back, from the front, and grab your gorgeous ruler so that way you can check that all your diamonds are perfect. And you're gonna be making 8 of them because you need 8 diamonds 21 for the quilt. Every time we're making diamonds, we need 8 of them. I cannot wait to show you guys block 22, but that's ahead, that's tomorrow. Make sure if you're just joining us in, go visit our website, visit our blogs. You can join us anytime. This event is going to be on our blog, on our YouTube channel for a long time. You don't have to rush. If you don't have time before the holidays, you can join us maybe next year in January, February, and make this beautiful quilt. But for today, I thank you guys for joining in and watching our quilt along called Tahoe quilt, and I can't wait to make more diamonds with you and then put the diamonds together to a beautiful quilt. Thank you and happy quilting, guys.